Appalachian State University is a great place to work as an assistant professor, especially in my field, in structural geology, because we have this great geologic setting.
Gabe and I are trying to better understand how the Southern Appalachian mountain chain came to exist as it does today.
Appalachian State University campus is situated within the Blue Ridge, which allows us the opportunity within a 50-minute class to bring our students outside and actually see the types of structures that are creating these major earthquakes that we hear about in the news and investigate hands-on how these things work.
We also collect samples that are used for dating purposes, and we have a lab for crushing and separating minerals and finally getting dates on them.
This research is only possible in the Southern Appalachian Mountains because we have such an accessible and such a deeply exhumed mountain range.
We also take the samples and we can look at them under the microscope, and that can tell us some things about temperatures and also the age of the rocks. Most geology programs are in one type of rock. However, here we're in the Blue Ridge, so we have very quick access to metamorphic rocks, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks. The students are really exposed to a lot more different kinds of geology than they would be anywhere else.
It is an extraordinary opportunity to have access to such a rich geologic environment. If you're deciding on what school you're going to go to and what you're going to major in, and you're interested in the environment in general, and you want to know how the earth works, there are very few places that would be better to go as an undergraduate than Appalachian State University and within our program.
We, particularly for an undergraduate-only institution, have some pretty remarkable facilities. So being able to crush and separate our rocks here to involve undergraduate students in research in the field is pretty exciting, and I think this entire project that we're working on will help us to understand the Appalachians much better.